Today I am going to keep this as simple as possible using this Ice Cream Glam Light palette. I am going to use only 2 colors out of this whole palette because I always get people saying that they can't do it and it's too hard, but if you cannot do this, then you're just not trying. The first color we're going to use is called Mango. It's a matte yellow, and we're just going to take it on this fluffy brush, and we are going to use that and apply it to the crease and a little bit above our crease and just slowly blend that out, adding a little bit at a time until it's as pigmented as you want it. And you want to make sure that when you're looking straight forward, you can see all that color that you applied. If you cannot see all that color, then just don't be afraid to bring it up a little bit higher. Now to really keep this simple, we are just going to take our finger for this next shade called Lemon. It is a yellow shimmer, and we're just going to apply that in all the blank space on our eyelid below that first yellow that we applied, and just kind of tap it on there and blend with your finger. Once again, if you say you cannot do this, then you're just not trying. It's as easy as that. If you struggle with makeup, it just takes practice and you gotta start somewhere. This tutorial would be perfect using any 2 colors that you would like. So if you wanna do a green look, you can use a matte green and a shimmer green, just like we're doing with this yellow. This is a perfect tutorial to start with. Now using a smaller fluffy brush, we're just gonna take that first yellow that we applied and we're just gonna put that right on our lower lash line, about 3/4 of the way to the inner corner. I notice a lot of beginners are scared to put color on their lower lash line and they don't ever put anything down there besides eyeliner, but I'm telling you right now, it will look better and it'll bring your look together if you just do it. You gotta trust the process because once you put your eyeliner and your mascara on, I promise it will come together. Taking that same small fluffy brush, we're just going to take that yellow shimmer that we used and fill in that blank space on our lower lash line, going all the way to the inner corner. I like to use tapping motions while I'm putting it over that other color just to kind of help it blend together nice and smooth so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm just taking a white eyeliner. You can use black, white, brown, whatever eyeliner you want for this, but the white is really going to keep it nice and bright. And I'm just going to apply that to my waterline. Now I'm just going to add some mascara and falsies. I did decide to go back and add an inner corner highlight, which is some yellow highlighter, but this is the finished look. I really hope you guys find this tutorial helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you guys next time.